Like the shadows disappearing in the noon. Emptiness that we have is so depressing that we lose control. Happiness that we have is so elusive. I'm sorry I cannot resist.